Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok keeps crashing on Android. So the first thing you want to try to do is going to be force closing your TikTok application and trying to reopen it. If that doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear cache. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings. Finally, scroll all the way down until you find apps. Then you're going to scroll again until you find TikTok and simply go ahead and tap on the TikTok icon. Finally, all you need to do is scroll down and tap on storage and click on the bottom right clear cache button right over here, which should go ahead and fix your problem for you. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you might not have the up-to-date or the latest version of the application. So in order to update it, simply go ahead and open your Play Store. Simply tap on the search bar and tap on the search bar on the top right and search for TikTok. Once you've done that, tap on the application again, and there's going to be a little blue update button where the open button is if there are any updates. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.